David, this is our lesson today. I will teach you about baby animals. What's this? Sheep. Oh, sheep. Remember, sing nga. Baba. Sing mo si David. One for my master, one for my slave, one for the little boy, Papa, black sheep, happy will, yes, three bad. Wow! Poppy is a baby dog. He has a very waggy tail. Where's the tail of the dog? Tail. It's even tail. Oh, tail. Where's the tail? There. Poppy chases a ball. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? There. And barks. Whoop! Whoop! Ah, sabi ng whoop. Sabi ng dog. Whoop! Whoop! Again, David mo. Ano sabi ng dog? Ano sabi ng dog? Ano sabi ng dog? Ano sabi ng dog? Whoop! Whoop! Here. Kitten is a baby. Stop that. No, baby. Cat. Oh, baby cat yan. Oh, she has soft fur and sweet little ears. Yes, sleep yung cat dyan. Oh, ganda ng bed ng cat. Kitten washes her paws and furs. Sabi ng cat, meow! Meow! Paano sabi ng cat? Ano sabi ng cat? Later. Ano sabi ng cat first? Meow! Ano sabi ng cat? David? Then, ha? Ha? Ano? Nasaan yung tail ng cat? Where's the tail? Tail? Tail! Asan tail? There. Turo. Tail. This one first. Lamb is a baby sheep. Baby sheep. He has curly hair and wobbly legs. Nasaan yung legs? Legs. There. Lamb says, ba, ba. Where's the bird? Oh, nagpi-play sila ng bird.
2 minutes na.